NASA's farthest spacecraft in the solar system has a new life in deep space. Where is it now? Welcome to the Space Diary channel. Before watching, I want to ask you to help our channel by liking and subscribing. The U.S. Space Agency has decided to extend the mission of the New Horizons spacecraft until it leaves the solar system forever. According to NASA, the farthest spacecraft in the solar system, New Horizons, has been given a new lease of life in the form of an extended research mission for at least another 5 years. The spacecraft will be operated until 2028-2029, when it will leave the Kuiper belt surrounding our star system forever, New Atlas writes. The New Horizons spacecraft was launched in January 2006 to explore the outer reaches of the solar system. Its main goal was to see Pluto, a dwarf planet in the Kuiper belt, at close range for the first time and to take the first images of its icy surface. The historic encounter with Pluto took place in 2015, and since then, astronomers have known how the former ninth planet of the solar system really looks like. Another historic event took place in 2019 when the New Horizons spacecraft flew close to another Kuiper belt object called Arrokoth, which is 34 km wide. This is now the most distant object in the solar system that the spacecraft has reached, as it is located at a distance of 6.5 billion kilometers from Earth. Thanks to the observations of the New Horizons spacecraft, scientists have found that Arrokoth is the result of the merger of two objects into one. Where is the New Horizons spacecraft now? Currently, the NASA spacecraft is flying further through the Kuiper belt, where there are many icy objects beyond Neptune's orbit, and it is expected to leave the solar system in about 5 to 6 years and never return. The distance from Earth to the New Horizons spacecraft is approximately 8.5 billion kilometers. But this year, the future of NASA's spacecraft was at risk. The mission's scientists wanted it to conduct astrophysical, heliophysical, and planetary research. But the leadership of the U.S. Space Agency decided to limit the research to heliophysics, that is, the study of the heliosphere. This is a kind of shell of charged solar parts that surrounds the solar system, like a bubble. Beyond the heliosphere is interstellar space. Now NASA management has decided to expand and extend the scientific mission of the New Horizons spacecraft, and it will not only study the heliosphere, but will also be able to approach the new ice object of the Kuiper belt to study it. Currently, there is no such object within the reach of the NASA spacecraft, but it may be discovered in the near future. Therefore, New Horizons will continue to study the Kuiper belt, along with the study of the heliosphere, until 2028, 2029, when it will leave the solar system forever, NASA said. According to scientists, the spacecraft will still have enough fuel to continue flying until at least 2040. Was this video interesting for you? Please share your opinion in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for more interesting videos.